Hi guys, it's October 6, 2016 now. I have to document this. Um, you know, the last time that I was on in telecast was, I think it was late in the afternoon yesterday. It was not this size. It had weakened. They have brought it back to an intensity that is going to hit Florida possibly with at 140 miles per hour winds. They've intensified it. And you can see all of the chemtrails at the periphery at the top here. It is so obvious that this is manufactured, that it is engineered by man. And now they're saying that it's going to turn left and hit the east coast of Florida. I mean, it could cover Florida. That's how massive this thing is now. Still moving slowly. But you can see the water vapor being generated here, right here at the outer edge. I do need to bring your attention to this patent again. The patent that I just posted a video on. What does it say in the patent? Under certain conditions, water vapor pushed up from the ocean surface will fuel the tropical storm, creating the violent rotating winds which define a hurricane. And that's exactly what they are doing. They are pushing water vapor up from the ocean, probably on a ship, and you can see it very clearly right here at the outer edge. This thing is massive. You can see, I can't remember the name of this tropical storm, but you can see that this is also having water vapor pushed up into it. These little round white balls that appear and then get bigger and bigger. Manufactured. We're at war, guys. They're using weather as a weapon against us. This is not a joke. This is not, daily entertainment for YouTubers. That we're not in some academic discussion. This is not theoretical. This is happening. And people die. And people lose their homes. And horses and cattle and dogs and cats, they die. They suffer and die. And people ask me why I'm angry. Well, to all of those who ask why I'm angry, I ask you how you could possibly not be angry that this is taking place. Manufactured hurricane. Massive, intense, and it is turning to the left, heading for Florida. I pray to God that nobody gets hurt, but look at the size of this. And also in that patent, if you read it, it talks about using sound waves to turn a hurricane to the left. I'll link below to the patent again. All of my subscribers here in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, I'll be thinking of you, and I sure do. I really do hope that nothing happens to you guys. Have a good night.